Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can highlight your muscles in a video. So first you need to know that you need to do it on a CapCut PC, not on mobile. So you can just put your videos into the CapCut PC timeline like this, and then you can go to the scene where you want to highlight your muscles. For example, I'm going to go in here, then freeze the frame, click on a freeze, and I'm going to make the freeze frame to around 2 seconds and copy and paste the freeze frame. Now you can deactivate the first freeze frame and click on the overlay and go to the masking, add the mask and choose the pan options. Now you can just select the part that you want to highlight. Just go like this, for example. Okay, and after this you can activate the freeze frame again. Click on the overlay, go to the adjust, and here on the curve you can find the green and blue color and lower this last dot to the bottom, so you'll get the red color on the highlighted parts. Go back to the basic on adjust and increase the saturation all the way to 50. Now it looks black, so to make it more natural you can go back to the masking and add some feather just like this, and you'll see this result. And so guys, that's how you can easily highlight muscles in your video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial. Bye.